Welcome to Drolipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here go to connections and then go to mobile hotspot and tethering. Then go to mobile hotspot. Now just tap here to enable mobile hotspot. Now to enable mobile hotspot, first you have to turn off your Wi-Fi, then just tap on turn off and it's done. Now you can see mobile hotspot is enabled in my phone. Now if you want to configure your mobile hotspot, then just tap here. From here you can set your mobile hotspot network name, and from here you can set your mobile hotspot password. Also from here you can set your mobile hotspot frequency. You can select 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz as you want. If I select 2.4 GHz and then tap on save, and it's done. Now your mobile hotspot is ready for use. You can also use one-time password from here. And that is how you can use mobile hotspot in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.